The hottest tech out there.
Robots that appear in industry are expensive and complicated before 2021. That's why we create Ember B1, affordable with high performance. B1 meaning Bionic First Generation. The technical inspiration comes from Bionic. The density of the B1 robotic arm is the same as human arm. It imitates the characteristics of biological muscles, which include ultra-high torque density and super instant explosive power, also with force control and feedback. It is a consumer-grade, 7-axis, modular and scalable with force control and feedback Ember AIOS Bionic arm. Its core components come from Ember AIOS, which the technical inspiration is from running Kita, and it gives the robot a lot of power, precise control, and friendly collaborative feedback. All 7 joints of the Ember B1 7-axis robotic arm are powered by Ember AIOS Pro 14 actuators. Its configuration is very simple and can be combined at liberty and modularized. Ember AIOS, all-in-one servo. We combine intelligent drive, high-precision encoder, high-performance motor, and industrial-grade speed reducer. B1 robotic arm is equipped with Ethernet communication protocol, support 100 Mbps Wi-Fi. It also can execute intelligent long-range control with no extra cables. Ember B1 can be operated using the Ember Robot Studio software. Developers and geeks can use the Python input command to make B1 do any action. We also support Scratch program. Even children will use the software by simply dragging and dropping the modules to make Ember B1 execute the command. Under your program command, Ember B1 can accomplish engraving, curved surface painting and polishing, coffee making, high-speed dynamic range recording, and so on. B1 Bionic Arm is also able to combine with our independent developed AGV with simple game controller, like Xbox controller, which makes it more interesting and playable. Ember B1 supports low impedance mode, gravity compensation, impact resistance, collision detection, torque control, speed and position control, and ensures the safety of the cooperation with human and robotics. Small in size and light-weighted. Load reach up to 3 kg. 7 degrees of freedom with high sensitivity. Recording continuous trajectory with gravity compensation, that means drag teaching in general. B1 7-axis robotic arm is all assembled with industrial-grade parts. Harmonic reducer is used, which can increase the product usage time up to 15,000 hours. Moreover, Ember B1's early bird price is only 1/5 of the regular price. Without doubt, B1 robotic arm can achieve lots of functions. We hope that more and more developers will join us in developing more applications based on Ember B1. And we hope that these programs will bring more help to mankind in the future.